In this video, I am going to show you how to report a Lyft driver. Firstly, open the Lyft app on your smartphone. Tap the menu icon in the top left corner of the screen and select Ride History from the menu. Scroll through your ride history and find the ride with the driver you want to report, and tap on that specific ride. After selecting the ride, you'll see the ride details. Scroll down and look for Help or Get Help. Then choose Report Safely Issue or Accident or another relevant option depending on your situation. You'll be provided with various options such as reporting inappropriate behavior and safe driving or other issues. Select the specific issue you encountered. You may be prompted to provide additional details about the incident. Be as specific as possible, including any relevant details that can help Lyft address the issue. After filling out the necessary information, submit your report. Lyft's support team will review your report and may contact you for further information if needed. And that's it, guys. Thank you for watching, and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more.